Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Open Microsoft Word and pick blank document or a template that matches your goal. Next, save immediately so autosave tracks changes. Go to File, Save As, pick a folder and name the file with docx. Once saved, make sure your view suits the task, print layout for formatting, read mode to skim, or focus to reduce clutter. These first steps lock in file location and layout so you can work without losing changes. Now structure the document. Apply styles to create consistent headings and body text. This helps navigation and generates a table of contents later. Use the Insert tab to add images, tables, page breaks, and headers/footers so content stays organized across pages. Once done, refine paragraphs by adjusting spacing, line spacing, and alignment. Proper spacing improves readability and printing. Make sure to use the ruler and grid lines when aligning objects, because visual alignment saves time on final layout fixes. Finish strong by reviewing. Run spelling and grammar, use track changes for edits, and add comments where collaborators need context. Once revisions are accepted, export your work, save as docx or export to PDF and embed fonts for consistent viewing. Before printing or sharing, check print preview, set margins, duplex printing, and scaling so pages don't cut off. If something goes wrong, revert to an earlier version via File Info version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.